Welcome to today's crochet tutorial. In this video, we'll create a beautiful rose keychain perfect to decorate your bag, your keys, or give as a handmade gift. It's small, sweet, and full of charm. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Grab your favorite yarn colors for the rose, sepal, and leaf, and let's get started. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. I'm cheering for you all the way. First, let's crochet the flower. This will form the rose spiral that will roll up later. Notch 19. Turn, skip 3 chains. Now work 4 half double crochet, 4 double crochet, 4 extended double crochet, then into the next stitch, 2 extended double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, 2 extended double crochet. Finally, chain 2 and slip stitch into the last stitch. Great job. You now have a wavy strip. This will be rolled into a rose shape later. Now, let's crochet the sepal, the green base beneath the rose. Start with a magic ring, then crochet 10 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch to close the round. Nice and easy, the base is done. For the sepals, we'll create pointed shapes like little leaves. Repeat the following 5 times. Chain 5, turn, skip 1, work 2 slip stitches, 2 half double crochet, skip 1, and slip stitch. Now we make the keychain loop. Chain 50, turn, skip 1, and work 10 single crochet along the chain. Slip stitch to secure. Then again, repeat the same petal sequence 5 times. Cotch 5, turn, skip 1, 2 sill, 2 HDC, skip 1, sill. Awesome! You've just completed the sepals and the loop all in one. Tip: count carefully so all sepals are evenly spaced. Now let's crochet a detailed leaf to add a natural touch. Chain 16, turn, skip 1, then SC, HDC, 3, DC, HDC, SCT, SL, ST. Then continue up the other side of the chain. SC, HDC, 3DC, HDC, HDC, jaw, 1, DC, in same stitch, HDC, 3DC, HDC, Celstes, SLS, HDC, 3DC, HDC, increase, SLS. Well done. This detailed leaf really brings the whole piece to life. Tip: block the leaf slightly for a more realistic curve. crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed making this rose keychain, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more creative crochet tutorials. Comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Maybe more flowers? Until next time, happy crocheting and keep spreading the hand